Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a second try with the same paints. My last try just went totally wrong. I wanted to do a traveling open cup with some modifications, and I ended up with way too much paint on my canvas. Then I started scraping it and I saw that the most beautiful colors were coming up. So I decided to do a sandwich pour. That's how Julie called it, I guess. So I'm starting with my white and I'm just gonna do it a little bit like a dirty sandwich pour. So I'm adding some paint gray from Lucas. I've got some mauve also from Lucas. Permanent violet blue from Amsterdam. Some phthalo blue from Amsterdam. And this is gold by Lucas. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of my white. Not sure if that's gonna be enough paint. Maybe add a little bit more. Okay. What do you think? Would it be enough paint for this canvas? I don't think so. Let's add just a little bit of the paint I scraped. Okay. So let's flip this on here. Like so. And it's on my spinner, so if I need to, I can spin it. And wow. It's pretty on the rim. Okay, so where's my gold? Let's see if we can get some of my gold to show up. And then I'm going to take some paint off and see what's gonna happen. Let's see, which side do we want to go first? Let's get a little corner catcher and go for this side first. exactly what I was going for. It's really pretty. I've got a little bit paint left, so I'm gonna get another canvas and I want to try it again. Okay, so this is a 20 by 20 canvas. I'm just gonna use the same cup. And I'm gonna avoid doing a lot of white, so I'm gonna add the scraped paint. Oh, it already came out. I'm just adding this paint as a flow extender. Just a little corner catcher. Let's see. I think, yeah, I'm gonna tilt it a little bit more this way. I really was hoping for more darker colors. Instead of all the light ones. I'm gonna push it a little further. So I tried to get this line to the corner, and I did. So I've got everything covered. I'm liking my composition. Let's see. Okay, let's clean my hands off before I'm gonna touch my torch. Let's just give it a light torch. See if I can get anything to happen here. I don't want to burn the paint, but I just didn't like that grayish color. I might stretch it. Let's see if I can stretch it just a little bit farther. I think it's done. Hopefully this dries nice. It really gives a different texture to the paint when using the Owatrol. Really does make it more like oil paint instead of acrylic. And it gives me a new learning curve because I was used to how my paints were moving. And now I'm totally surprised by every time I try something new. So I'll show you both results when they're dry. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.